We all have been wondering for a lifetime now, what is a school? When we send our children to a school, we always send them with a point of view. Time to go, time to study. But is that really schooling? Let us rethink how schooling has changed over these years, especially the decade that we are into right now. Schooling is not only about sending our children in a place where they're going to study English, maths, Hindi, all those subjects. Schooling is rather a place where they're going to have holistic learning. They have an approach where they can go back and see what initiates them to learn better. While in the school, teachers play a very, very crucial and important part. It is how they inculcate their strategies into the classroom that is going to make the biggest difference. The more opportunities we give in our classroom through our teachers and teaching methodologies to do experiential learning, to inculcate group activities, hands-on activities, making presentations, projects, all this is going to make a big difference because that is going to be the need of tomorrow. Also, I believe schooling is a place where you should go without a boundary. And when I say that, what I mean by the boundary? A boundary which we have set upon ourselves. I'm scared of my teacher. Is that a school? I don't believe that should be a school when we say, I'm scared of my teacher. I can't ask a question. I'm an introvert child. I like staying back. I don't like sports, but I have a PE period and I will have to attend. We will have to understand that we will have to change our schooling structures to meet the needs and demands of our children for the future. So, as a structure, it is important that our children can talk to teachers without even thinking twice about it. They can ask their questions. They should not feel inhibited by anything. They do not like to do arts. Why can't they pick up music? They are not interested to go for a PE class, but they are very interested to learn guitar on the other hand. While we understand that schooling has to give all these opportunities, it is at Cyboard School the paramount thing that we need to figure out what is it that interests the children. While at Cyber School, we do have an area of activities that children can pick from, according to their interests, their ability to do that, and also what they would like to pursue, and maybe just figure out and see would I like to take it on for future or not. This all ensures that children come together as positive human beings later on in life, and that is what is important. Empathizing social persons who can work with each other is going to be the most important skill to be successful in our future. And that is what we aim at Cyboard School. And this is what is schooling for. Schooling is preparing ourselves for the future. At Cyboard School, we want our children to get ready for what is going to come ahead in life for them. And that is what is going to make a big difference. Schooling where there is no boundaries. Across the country, anywhere, any part, wherever there's a child who has a dream, has the right to good quality education. And that is what we aim at Cyboard School. This is what we have chosen to do at Cyboard School. Break the boundaries. Ensure that education reaches every nook and corner of the country. I have chosen to break the boundaries for my children, bringing education and its accessibility to their homes. Join hands with me, become a part of this big change that's going to come in the part of education, and let every child have good quality education accessible to him or her wherever she or he is.